Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're a new one, then you're welcome.
So yeah guys, let's end this year 2020 with some detoxification. Detoxification of various kinds. Detoxification can be of a heart, mind, soul, detoxification diet, detoxification smoothies, detoxification drinks. So today it's all about detoxification drinks, detoxification water. So why do you need it? Start taking detoxification drinks. You will find tremendous change in yourself. You will feel more energized. You'll have a better immune system. It helps you to regulate your immune system, gives you healthier skin, helps you manage your weight, it even reduces inflammation, and even helps you give better digestion. Now if I talk about healthier skin, so most of you will pop up with this question like, Swati, why do you have this acne here? I've just changed my serum. Not changed exactly, actually my serum got finished with the one which I use, the Body Shop one. So I started using the one which I had previous, or a revitalizing one. So that whenever I start using that, then I get this acne. I've done review of both the products. I will mention the link in the description box if you want to see them. I simply used to have simple detoxification drinks, but then this year I have not only lost weight, I've even helped people, I've guided people to managing their weight. So I have come across lots of people, and people had this problem like, I cannot have this, I cannot have that, and if I drink lemon water, it gets very itchy on my throat. I cannot have simple lemon water. I cannot have. So depending on people's feedback, today I'll be sharing with you the drink, and I'm gonna tell you at the beginning of this video that guys, all the detoxification drinks, if you cannot have it like that, because yes, I know people tend to have problem with the sour water. So what you can do, you can add little jaggery और हनी टू इट. आप हल्का सा शहद या फिर गुड़ मिला सकते हैं. जितने भी डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन ड्रिंक्स मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ आप उनमें. Let's get into video. Let's get into the detoxification drink.
So for the first drink you need around 1.5 spoon chia seeds, cinnamon powder, just a pinch of it, and 1 lemon. Then you just need to add warm water to it. This drink you can have right in the morning. You can have this on empty stomach, and why I'm adding all these things I'll keep on telling you as we'll move ahead with the video. Right now let's learn how to eat this chia seed. या तो आप इसको रात को सोक करके रख सकते हो, या फिर आप मॉर्निंग में when you are adding chia seed to your drink, you need to add warm water. Leave it for 5 minutes. Once you have left it, later on it will turn soggy, and then you can have it. Once it has turned like this, then you can have this drink. Now the key ingredient here is chia seed. So let's talk about chia seed. Chia seed provides you insoluble fiber. It keeps you fuller for longer, and it helps you not feel constipated. Now why will you feel constipated? Because guys, when you start losing weight, you tend to include good amount of protein in your diet. अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करेंगे, along with the fat, you will even lose your muscle. When you do good workout, you need protein, and to digest that protein, you need good amount of fiber. So include fruits, and this is like one of the best source of fiber. This drink will detoxify you and give you the right amount of fiber as well. Now the next detoxification drink ingredients are lemon and ginger. Lemon are not that much good in fiber, but they are high in vitamin C, which helps you regulating your immune system. Lemon helps your body by flushing out all the toxins and cleanses your liver. Now guys, if I talk about ginger also has immunity boosting property, and it even helps you to protect you against some bacteria. It is believed to reduce the risk of some cancers. Ginger has a property to reduce your hunger. You just need to add water like 250 ml. Now if you cannot have this like simply like this, you can add a little bit honey to it. And usually मैं morning में ही drink लेती हूँ, and I will suggest you as well have this on empty stomach. This will detoxify your body. And अगर you are not a morning person and you cannot drink, because I have come across many people in my life who said like we cannot have this morning drink thing, then you can go ahead with detoxification drink which you can consume throughout the day. Now if you drink throughout the day, you have to be a little careful. That day you will need a place where you can go and flush out yourself a lot. So next drink जो मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ वो आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है कि आप कौन से डे में ले रहे हैं. जब आपके आसपास लू हो जाने के लिए, then go ahead with this one. So for this detoxification drink you need 1 cucumber, few mint leaves and lemon. But I didn't add lemon to my drink because that day I was not feeling like to have lemon. And you just need around 1.5 liter of water. You just need to chop the lemon and add all the stuff inside the water. Lemon, cucumber, mint, water, this helps you in detoxifying your body. It prevents kidney stone, enhances hydration, and it even has anti-cancer property. Along with that, it supports weight loss by keeping you fuller, hydrated throughout the day. Now if you're adding lemon to this, make sure that you're adding lemon juice and not the lemon slices. They look pretty good inside the bottle, but guys, the water turns out to be bitter. This is what I'm telling you from my past experience. तो अगर आप लेमन की स्लाइसेस डालने की सोच रहे हैं तो डू अवॉइड दैट. एंड दिस इज़ बेसिकली अ समर ड्रिंक, समर डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन ड्रिंक. बट यहाँ इतना कुछ ज़्यादा विंटर्स होती नहीं है, सो आई हैड made this for myself during this time as well. But for winter, I'll tell you another detoxification drink which you can have throughout the day on your detoxification days. Now guys, when you are having these detoxification drink, the one which you are having throughout the day, make sure that you have a good area around yourself where you can go and flush yourself. For this drink you need normal water, normal room temperature, or like if you are having this during summers then ठंडा पानी ऐड कर सकते हैं, but it's good to have tap water, room temperature one only. Now next drink which I'm going to tell you, you can have during winters as well. So now for this drink you need cumin seed, lemon, ginger and cinnamon, and around 1.5 liter of water. I guess not 1.5, 2 liters, because अभी हम पानी को गर्म करेंगे तो ये अराउंड 1.5 हो जाएगा. या तो आप क्यूमिन सीड को रात को सोक करके रख सकते हैं, या फिर आप मॉर्निंग में इसको गर्म पानी में ऐड करेंगे तो आपको थोड़ा अच्छा वाला बॉयल देना पड़ेगा. इसमें आप अराउंड 1 टेबल स्पून सिनेमन ऐड कीजिए, अराउंड 2 to 3 स्पून क्यूमिन एंड 1 लेमन. एंड देन आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, आपको अगर आपको सार लगता है लेमन तो इसमें आप हल्का सा हनी भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, और साथ में आपको ऐड करना है इसमें ग्रेट करके ginger. Now the new ingredient which I have added here is cumin seeds, or you can say jeera. Jeera is like one of the amazing seeds to jumpstart your metabolism. It helps you balance your blood sugar level, and it even helps you boosting your hydration level. You can have this daily as well, this drink right in the morning on empty stomach, and you can soak your cumin seed and then next day you can have them right in the morning, thoda sa garam kiya, and then you can have it. Or you can have this like a entire day detoxification drink. You can have this drink twice in a day. Right in the morning आप थोड़ा सा पी लो, like half liter or more than half liter, and then for your lunch time you can have this half liter. जब भी आप ये throughout the day वाला detoxification drink ले रहे हैं, then you are even supposed to have your water as well. आपको 1.5 से 2 लीटर पानी भी साथ में पीना है. Now guys, the last drink for the day is cinnamon water. This you can have during bedtime, like 30 to 20 minutes before going to bed. Boiling water may just add a little bit cinnamon, and you can even add little honey to it if you cannot have cinnamon plain like that. And just have this as a bedtime drink and just see the difference. Just consume it for a month and then see the difference. But remember this guys, need to take all these things in a certain quantity. आपको थोड़ा ही लेना है. आपको जितने भी डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन ड्रिंक्स वगैरह बताए हैं उसमें थोड़ा ही ये सब चीज़ें ऐड करनी है. ज़्यादा भी मसाले and these ginger and all these things can attack your kidney. So make sure you have all these things but in a limit. So that's it for the day guys. Happy New Year to all of you. Let's start our next year with some detoxification. Not only detoxification drink but detoxifying our mind and soul by removing toxic people and toxic habit from our life. Do not forget to watch my other vlogs. I'll mention all the links in description box. Take care of yourself till I see you next time. You be good and be happy. Ta-ta-da.